Hey, recently I got a new case from good folks from Moft, just a little bit before Apple's April event. This turned out to be an excellent opportunity for me to do a little review, and since technically it will be my first time, I still hope it's going to be helpful to you. Hi guys, and welcome to Digital Marketing Channel. My name is Marco and this is your dose of Apple news, leaked information, rumors and opinions. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the like button, and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. If you ever wanted a good website, a blog, a social network, a web store, and everything with elite class hosting, look no further than my buddies from Ireland, Blackbeard Hosting. Simple, easy to use website installer, 24/7 customer support, real people, and more, hosted on fast, reliable and secure servers. Hey, even VPN is included. Check it out, 1 month free trial, no credit card needed. The link is in the description and in the comment. With Digital Marketing's code, you get 5% off. Blackbeard Hosting. Hosting as it should be. This is Moft's so-called float case for iPad. Now keep in mind, I own iPad Pro from 2018, yet this case is perfect fit for 2020 model as well as 2021 11-inch version. I am certain that folks from Moft did not forget 12.9-inch version of the 5th generation iPad Pro. Packaging was straightforward, but unfortunately the box and included screen protector have suffered a little bit on the way to its final destination. Now, why is this case so special? MOFT Float is a slim stand and case that provides adjustable height and unlimited angles, allowing you to work anywhere without neck and shoulder pain, which takes your iPad Pro to next level height and experience. Those were the words of Moft's kind representative. What is noticeable right away is that the case does not feel cheap at all. It gives the impression of strong, durable product that belongs to higher end spectrum. It combines polycarbonate, aluminum, steel alloy, silicon, TPU, and it's really well built. It looks very modern and elegant, which makes it perfect for business environment. What I really appreciate is the fact that you can put your iPad in easily without breaking a sweat, which is not common, and in the same time, it's identical when you want to get it out. Look closely and you will see how precise are the openings for speakers, charging port, microphones. The volume rocker and power button are also well protected, and pressing it's quite smooth. Since iPad Pro is typically accompanied by Apple Pencil, knowing that you can still attach and even charge it with a case on makes this accessory even better purchase. However, true beauty of the float case shines in its different ergonomically friendly modes. While the case arrives in its default or foldable mode, with a little bit of effort, you will reveal it's fully flexible and its many possibilities. Now, when you start adjusting the stand, I advise you that you do that with your tablet inside. It will provide better and more stable grip on the case, and it will avoid unnecessary bending. The reason why I've done differently is because I'm foolish, I guess. The hinge seems very strong, and I'm kinda curious to see for how long it will remain that sturdy and how long it's gonna last. The moment you pull out the stand, you can put it horizontally in so-called stable mode. Or if you would prefer to read or use Instagram, for example, because that's the only way you can do it, you can put it in portrait mode. In both scenarios, it will be stable and you'll be able to use it. Just make sure that the stand is sufficiently open if you plan to use it vertically. Otherwise, it may fall down like it happened to me. Finally, the most important feature of this Moft's baby is its floating mode. When you pull out the stand, you will see that it's a part of more complex two-sided hinge structure, which then you can modify and indeed set it up in almost any angle and up to 3.15 inches of height. And do you know what's funny? While you are adjusting it, it reminds me of Microsoft Surface Studio hinge. In floating mode, I have to admit, it looks awesome. Watching movies, YouTube, or even better, use it as a sidecar for my Mac, for example. Sadly, this mode is not very intuitive in case you want to actively interact with the touchscreen because everything wobbles unless you bring it down to the level of the surface of the table. So if you want to work, for example, you need a Bluetooth keyboard, and without it, in many ways, for those who don't have a Mac but want to use their iPad Pro for work or studies, and in the meanwhile they may have issues with their back or neck, this accessory may seem incomplete. Don't get me wrong, ergonomics is not only about the device position or overall accessory. Many more factors are involved: the height of your chair, position of your feet, angles of your elbows, your back and neck, etc. To conclude, this is one excellent accessory, and even if the last part of this review may reflect different opinion, let me tell you something, I actually like it. Because honestly, you do have other modes if you want to work with touch screen or your Apple Pencil. MOFT Float Case can survive some accidental drops. It's really strong, and its construction keeps your iPad Pro secure and protected. Again, make sure that you check Moft website. The link is in the description. With that said, I want to thank the Moft for giving me this opportunity and for sending me this awesome accessory. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up and turn on notifications. If you want to help this channel grow, you can do that via Patreon, by visiting my YouTube profile, or by visiting my website. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Marco. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye. CyberGhost VPN. Surf fast, stream anything, face no limits, hide your IP and stay secured. Up to 83% of discount with extra 3 months for free. CyberGhost VPN.